Guys, today we're playing slime and our heads are cut off right now.
Wait till we start the video.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do!
No, we don't.
Just hit the pause button.
Sorry
about that.
So, as I was trying to say, we have our slime bin here. We have Brianna. And we have a tray. Has slime on it. Now, Brianna has a slime. And she just to use the floor. So I'm gonna just not use the. I'm gonna use.
Ew, this smells bad. We need to add Mariah Carey's perfume.
I can add essential oils to it. It's like
we need to add a little bit to this. So this is our pink slime with beads in it. It's
called our strawberry shortcake slime because
it's kind of like
I don't know if it's like black to you guys. I don't know, but I have this black slime. It's like purplish grayish to us.
Watch out! Don't bump into me. I'm adding essential oils.
It's not essential oils. You just said Mariah Carey perfume.
Well, we don't have the mint essential oil right now. This will match perfectly. It's called strawberry shortcake, right?
Yeah, I'm ordering slimes on Etsy for Christmas, and we'll hopefully do a video for that.
Thank you, Etsy, for that.
We haven't even bought them yet, so.
Oh, it smells bad. Like
not sponsored.
I wish you guys could smell this. Not sponsored. What's that mean?
Because I said Etsy, we got the slimes on Etsy. It's non-sponsored means like.
Whatever.
So we're just playing with slime.
I think this is our worst. I'm sure. Okay, now we're gonna get our next slime. See you in a sec.
We have our next slimes now. Brianna's going to introduce hers first.
So I have my purple slime I just made yesterday. Today I added some Stay Flow because it got really sticky.
Overnight.
So yeah, that's one of our activators.
Oh, and this is a flip shirt, if you guys are wondering.
Okay, and this has foam beads in it. I added them this morning. This is a really good bubble blower, like we could show you in our next video. And yeah. So yeah.
My slime is this like bluish, whitish mint slime, but it's like white to you guys.
We're cutting that out.
And it's scented mint, and it smells amazing if you need that smell.
Oh yeah, mine smells like mint too because I got some.
Onto our mix slime.
Hi guys. We have our next slime.
So I have this is like all of our slime is mixed together. And so it's green.
It smells like mint.
Kind
Mariah
of.
Carey.
And then it has foam beads, different sizes. It has bracelet beads.
Crunchy butter regular slime.
It has beanbag beads. It's not that pokey. It spreads though, like spreads. And yeah, it's just stretchy.
Okay, so here's mine. This is our butterscotch slime / putty because it's not really slime. It stretches pretty good, but not far. See, because it's like putty. This is a really good slime. It's like golden. It's a good cruncher because if you like do a bubble, well, which I can't do right now, but it's a good cruncher. It can spread pretty good like butter slime, but it's not butter slime. So, and yeah.
On to next. So Brianna's next slime is
slime is blue, and yeah, but it's blue. This is one of our worst slimes actually, because I added too many foam beads to this. I tried to make it our foam bead slime, but it did not work.
Well, I added all the super small ones. She added all these.
They came from a bean bag, and whenever you rip it, foam beads get everywhere. See? If you guys saw that, I'm gonna get trouble for that. And look how good this bounces. Ready? It bounces really good on the package though. So let me also show you the package before Molly's turn. Ready? That's really
So
good.
I got, Brianna has one too, but she has hers at her mom's. But since we had like good costumes, this lady gave us these bags of slime, and they're cute. We have trick or treat, spider web, pumpkin, black cat, tons and tons of more stuff. And then the slime is black, and Brianna's was purple. It was purple, and it was like really cool because it was like really cool. I can't play with it on the floor because there's 80 million Flumbies on the floor. Yeah. And then, so that's really it.
See you in our next slime.
My next slime is this Flumby butter slime. And it has rubber bands in it, and there's a bead in it, which I want out. So then, pink stuff behind me, and it spreads. But the defect is it gets foam beads all over your hand. But I'm still gonna play with it. It's fun to play with. It spreads. Brianna slime.
Now I have this purple putty. It stretches really far. It's still going. It will like never break.
I'll be right back.
Wait. Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna pause it. So I'm gonna add some blue to this because I hate the color. And one of my favorite colors are blue. This marker might not work so well in the putty, but it does work really well in slimes. And I might. Oh, I already did add Mariah Carey stuff to it. I didn't know that. I am looking for some more blue in this. I rate this marker once your time like a 7 because it doesn't work well in this slime, but I do love this marker because it works the best in slimes, but not this putty. I'm like trying so hard to get so much marker in there, but it won't change. I'm just getting it all over my hands, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep mixing them. See you for our next slime. BTW, this doesn't need a case.
Our next slime is
Don't be just in my mouth.
Mine is this yellow slime with,
It's butter slime, isn't it?
no, orange and yellow foam beans in it, and scented lemon, and very pokey.
It's not my turn yet. Pause it. My next slime is my peanut M&M slime.
It's not actually M&M colored. This is actually M&M colored.
It's not M&M colored.
It's called there's yellow M&Ms.
Yeah, there's green M&Ms too.
Yeah, but not dark green.
Yes, there is. Are you going crazy? There is dark green M&Ms. Comment down below if you agree with me, please. Okay, well, I just that. Still like half the slime out. This question's gonna murder me. Okay, so this is a really good bubble blower. That was sad.
It's like a poopy diaper.
Okay, so this is my green slime.
Hashtag brothers.
It's a really good bubble blower. And,
so yeah.
It has beads in it. It's a very good poker.
Yeah, it's really
and
nice.
It's a good cruncher too. Watch, ready? Okay, on to our next slime.
Thanks for watching. Hope you watch more of our videos.
Bye.
Deuces!
Bye.